have things my way, I would have crunchy, salty, savory Fuelings all of the time. But sometimes you have to have those sweet ones. But today I'm going to show you one of those really crispy, crunchy, super savory Fuelings. So let's have fun with Fuelings. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizabeth. If you're new here, I am living in the light by documenting my weight loss journey, and I'm using Optavia's 5-in-1 program. The 5 part of the 5-in-1 is the Fuelings that you eat that come to you in your monthly Optavia box, and the 1 is a lean and green meal that you make, and you can see lots of lean and green meal recipes that I have on my channel. I also have lots of fun with fueling videos where I show you how to take the Fuelings that you get from Optavia and change them up just a little bit. I am not a hacker of Fuelings. I do not add anything but water, so you're not using up any condiments or healthy fats in order to eat your Fuelings this way. I want to make sure that I stay 100% on program and I don't have more than I'm supposed to, which is why I do it that way. If you would, before I show you how to do this, just scroll down a little bit, hit the thumbs up button, give me some love, let me know that you like videos like this, share them with your friends, share them with other people that you know that are on program. If you're a coach, share my videos with your clients, and know that anything that I post on my videos is going to be 100% on program, totally counted. Every single Fueling will only use water. Every single lean and green will be a complete lean and green with no extras. Just following the rules completely because I got weight to lose and I am not going to mess up my program. So thumbs up, give me some love, and hit the subscribe button. So you can see I have my donut pan here. I'm going to make little rings of the sour cream and chive mashed potato Fueling. So what I'm going to do is put this into a bowl, and I'm going to add to this about 1/2 cup of water, and I'm not quite 1/2 cup there just to see what it looks like. I do want it to be fairly thin. And as it cooks, obviously the liquid will evaporate, but this just allows me to get the Fueling into the pan a little bit easier. And I'm going to spray 6 of these little muffin sections. Let me hold it up so I don't, that works a whole lot better. And then just using a big old spoon, I'm going to spoon the Fueling into these 6. You don't have to be like totally even with these because honestly, you're going to have all of these for one Fueling. So if one has a little bit more than another, that's fine. I'm just going to keep adding. If you do these too thick, then you, it doesn't work as well. It works a whole lot better if you really thin out the Fueling. I have my oven preheating to 425. That's a lot higher than I typically do these Fuelings, but I do want to make sure that they dehydrate really well, get all of the moisture cooked out of them. So as soon as it reaches 425, I'm going to pop these in the oven. I think I'm going to do it for about 15 to 18 minutes, but when I come back, I'll tell you exactly how long I did it for. I've done this a couple of times. First time I did it, it came out great. The second time, they were a little softer, so I think I need to cook them a little bit longer. So it's probably going to be around 18, maybe 20 minutes. But I'll let you know when I come back how much time it takes. This is actually a 2-step process, so I'm going to bake these, and then I'm going to air fry them. So I'll show you that in just a minute. These cooked for 18 minutes, so I'm going to pop them out. You can see they come out very easily. They're nice and brown on the bottom, but I'm going to throw these into my air fryer. And I'm going to air fry them for probably another 5 minutes. And that will ensure that they get super crunchy and chippy, I guess, is what they're going to be like. So I'll be back in just a few minutes to show you what they look like. Here we go. So this was 8 minutes in the air fryer at 400. You can see that they're really crunchy on the outside, still a little soft on the inside, so kind of French fry-ish. But they will definitely satisfy that savory, crunchy, fueling desire that you might have. This is very similar to waffling the potatoes and then air frying them to make French fries, a very similar vibe. And I've shown that before, but this is just a different way. So I hope you'll give this a try. And until I see you next time, please live in the light.